Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You must run Driver Easy as an administrator so updates can write drivers system-wide. Once opened, the program loads its driver database. Make sure your internet is connected so it can compare versions. Click Scan Now right away to generate a list of detected devices and flagged drivers. You're starting the process immediately rather than waiting because early detection prevents wasted steps. When the scan completes, review the top items and note drivers marked critical or marked for immediate update before moving on. Now you pick which drivers to update. You want to prioritize network, graphics, and chipset drivers first because they affect connectivity and stability. Click the individual Update button to download that driver's package. Driver Easy will fetch the correct vendor file. Once done, either run the downloaded installer or extract files to a folder for manual installation. If several drivers need work, use Update All to save time, but make sure to monitor each install and reboot if prompted between critical updates. Finish by running the driver installers one at a time, following on-screen prompts. Avoid installing multiple system-level drivers simultaneously. Once an install completes, reboot when required because many drivers only fully load at startup. After the restart, open Driver Easy and scan again to verify updates applied. If something malfunctions, use Device Manager to roll back the recent driver or restore your last system restore point. That single troubleshooting tip, roll back or restore, resolves most post-update driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.